Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel today. In this video, I want to show you how you can set up a Google Analytics 4 account. I'll walk you through the process to set up a Google Analytics 4 account and probably show you how to install Google Analytics on a website. This is a website that I own, but I don't have Google Analytics on it yet. So for me to know if there is no Google Analytics on it yet, I use this Google Tag Assistant tool. So this Google Tag Assistant tool will tell you it's actually a Chrome extension. It's telling me that there is no tag on this website. So the first thing you need to do for you to create a Google Analytics 4 account is to go to Google. Go to Google, type Google Analytics 4 on Google search. It will take you to introduction to Google Analytics 4. Once you click on this introduction, it will take you to somewhere around here. So you can also use this web URL to get to somewhere around here for you to create a Google Analytics 4 account. The next thing you need to do is to click on Start Measuring. Once you click on Start Measuring, you give your account a name. So let me give it GNLD and new life product. At this point, you can give your Google Analytics 4 account any name. This is required. The next thing you need to do is a business, and it is used exclusively for the purpose of your trade, business, and craft or profession. So the next thing you need to do is, I don't want, at this point, Google, if you have enabled Google Signals, this setting will also apply to authenticated visitation data, which is associated with Google user account. I don't want this. So you can tick all this, and the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Once you click on next, give your property a name, change your currency to US dollars. I'm in the UK, but it's most websites you see, they use US dollars, and I would also like to use US dollars. Just give your property name. Give it a name that you'll be able to remember and that is unique to your business. So once you do that, the next thing you need to do is to click on next. So at this point, you need to select the industry you belong to. Let me just put, let's just put health. Let's probably put health. They said your business size, I'll leave it at medium. You can choose anyone. That's what you will do at this point. The next thing you need to do is to select your business objective. What business objective do you want to capture? I want to generate sales. I want to create awareness. I want to examine behavior of people on my website. You can choose to select everything here, and that's it. So that's how you create a Google Analytics 4 account. You click on accept, or also accept. Just click on accept here and click on accept. So with this is the first step you'll be able to create. So they will say the next thing Google will ask you is to start collecting data. To set up data collection for your website or app, choose from where you will be collecting data. Is it web? You can use Google Analytics for your website. You can use Google Analytics for your Android app and for your iOS app. So next, you get instruction for adding a collection tag to that source. So for the sake of this video, like I showed you earlier, we are working on this website. Once we create that Google Analytics 4 account, we want to put it on this website. So what you need to do is that you just click on the platform. I will pop in the website. So you pop in your website here. If you pop in your website, and you just put it. At this point, you need to remove HTTPS. Just put your website name here. New life. So enhanced measurements. These enhanced measurements basically automatically measure interaction content on your site in addition to standard page view measurement. Data from on-page elements such as links and embedded video may be collected with relevant events. You must ensure that no personal identifiable information will be sent to Google. So at this point, you are good to go. Just click on create stream. Just click on create stream. Once you click on create stream, once you click on create stream, it's supposed to take us out of this place, create stream. So if it's not going, we can click on skip now. And we have set up data collection at this point. So this is where it will take you to email communication. I don't want email communication because they will be bombarding me with email addresses. So this is how, so can you see this is the account we created just now. This is the property name we gave it. So how can you connect? You need to connect your Google account. You need to connect the Google account you just created. You need to connect it with your website so that it will be capturing data like this. Can you see? So that it will be capturing data like this. Like this website now is capturing data. It's just that it doesn't have enough traffic yet. So this is what for one of my other websites, which is different from the one I showed you earlier. So can you see page search? Can you see from here? So this is how what Google Analytics will do for you. Can you see where your traffic? They say where do your new user come from? Page search, organic search, and that's all. So we want to put Google Analytics account that we just created. We want to put it on this website. Once you navigate to this place, you have this dashboard, your home, your report, explore, and advertising. For you to locate this place where we are now, just click on admin here. Once you click on admin, go to data stream. We have created a data stream already. Click on this data stream. And for the sake of this video, I'm not using Google Tag Manager. Can you see that no data collection received? We are not using Google Tag Manager for this video. I want to show you how, maybe for the example I want to show you here of how you can connect the Google Analytics 4 accounts you just created. You now want to link it with your website. How maybe you don't have access to the source code of the website, you can just send this instruction to your web developer. Or if you have access to the source code, you can just copy this instruction that I'm going to show you now and paste it there. So the next thing you need to do is to, once you come to data stream, click on this. If you don't have something like this here, click on add stream and follow the process. So we'll click on this. So let's go back. Click on this. Next thing you do is to view tag instruction. If you can't see this here, come to this place and click on view tag instructions here. So let's click on view tag instruction. Once you click on view tag instruction, it's going to give you two instructions. You know, at this point, I don't think we have Google Analytics 4. We don't have, let me refresh this page. I don't think we have Google Analytics 4 on this website. We don't. And I've connected it. So and we are here to connect it. So once you click on view tag instruction, come to install manually. Then you generate this code. This code is what you below. This is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website. Immediately after the head element, don't add more than one Google tag. So this is the code we want to put on this website. So how can we do that? Let me log into the back end of my website. Let me log into the back end of my website. Then let's just click on this. Click on admin. Click on this. Log into the back end of your website. Once you log in, this is a WordPress website. So if it's actually the fact that you are working with a web developer, just send this code. Just send this code with this instruction. With this code, you are not using Google Tag Manager. So I've created a video on how you can use Google Tag Manager to install Google Analytics on the website. So what you need to do is what we'll do next is to just go to appearance here. Once you go to appearance, when you log into the back end of your website, go to appearance and go to theme file editor. So once you go to the back end of your website here, what you need to do is to go to theme file editor and locate the header section. Go to header.php here. Once you go to header.php, then you copy the code. Make sure that the instruction is that the code should be between the head, opening of the head and closing of the head here. You copy this code. Once you copy this code, paste this code here. Once you paste this code here, click on update file. Once you click on update file, automatically Google Analytics is on your account that way. Then you click on back and you go back. So with that, you've been able to set up Google Analytics on your website. So let's open this website up now. Let's open it up and see if we will use the Google Tag Assistant. Can you see now? The Google Tag Assistant is telling us that the global site tag is Google Analytics tag. So let me look at this. Let me look at this unique number. If it's the same thing as what we have here, go to data stream, come to this place, and let's navigate. Can you see it is the same thing? Even the measurement ID is telling L2TS. Can you see it here? L2TS. This shows that Google Analytics is installed on the website. Let's look at the source code we just copied, if it's the same thing. So let's come to install manually. Can you see L2TS? This code is the same thing as L2TS. Is the same thing as what the Google Tag Assistant is telling us right now. So that's how you can create a Google Analytics 4 account and how you can connect it to a website. If you have any question, I will advise you to drop a comment and I will see you in the next video.